Hey everyone, I'm Jason from Actifio. Across the industry, we're seeing a new trend where enterprises want to consume cloud-based services, including backup and recovery. The reason is due to a few challenges that many enterprises face with their on-premises backup solution, such as very high backup storage costs and the associated operational burden. But how can you address these challenges and modernize your data protection in a timely manner? Actifio GO can help you, and it will only take 1 hour. Actifio GO is a software-as-a-service platform that can help you deliver efficient, incremental forever backups for VMware VMs. It backs up VMware VMs in your data center directly to the cloud object storage platform of your choice, which means zero data center storage costs and zero operational burden with infinite scale. Moreover, it enables you to perform instant recoveries of your VMware VMs directly from the cloud to your data center, significantly reducing RTO and downtime. So, if you want zero data center storage costs and zero operational burden, using a one-of-a-kind SaaS platform offered in an easy-to-consume subscription model, check out actifiogo.com. The best part is that you can try it with a 14-day free trial. So what are you waiting for? Go!